guys, this is Julia with 5-Star Potties, and today we will be making a glow-in-the-dark balloon arch. So for this project we're going to need glow-in-the-dark balloons. We are going to need black light, UV LED black light. This is the one I'm using, and I will also include UV LED strip light. So I will adjust this base, this line strip light to the base of the balloon arch. Ready? Let's get started. First step will be inflating balloons. We tie them together. As you can see, balloons glow under this black light, so that's the idea. There is a couple ways of making the balloon arch. I used to pre-inflate the balloons, put them in a plastic bag, come to the spot, set up the base, and then attach balloons to the base. But then I saw a bit more efficient way that saves time and actually space in the car when you need to transport the balloons. You make the balloons into balloon garland, and it takes less space and it's quicker to attach to the base once you're at the spot. So I will show you how I make that garland that later I will attach to the balloon arch base. We'll take 2 balloons tied together and 2 tied together. So 2 and 2, we'll tie them, twist them together, and we will place them on top of each other. So we have 4 and 4. I'm going to take a string. All right, so I'm connecting lower 4 with the top 4, and just like they should be pretty tight, pretty snug with to work with each other. So here you can see the first 4 on the bottom and another 4 we put on top. Okay, and same way I'm going to put another 4 balloons on top. I made some of the balloons into this balloon garland. I'll take the rest of them with me and I will inflate them at the spot. But that's a good start for our glow-in-the-dark balloon arch. That looks awesome! I can't wait to see how the balloon arch turns out. So we are now at the venue, and I already set up the base, and now I'm going to attach this UV LED strip along the base. And now we will add the balloons.